Namaste! What's up, Bengaluru? I am Priyanka Lal. Well, it's that time of the year again. Diwali fashion celebration. What a great combination. I am talking about Bengaluru's most anticipated Diwali social. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shiva's Presents Luru Diwali 7th edition 2019 in association with Kingfisher Ultra. The event is produced by DJ Anup Absolute and Plug Network, featuring DJ Anup Absolute and DJ Goku. Diwali is Festival of Lights. Tonight you will get to catch all the stars under one roof, dressed up in their best.
Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is
Really?
totally my kind of thing.
By the way, welcome to Luru Diwali 7th edition. Are you excited?
Absolutely, absolutely. Lulu is a family. So
Yes, my name is Abha Anjura. I'm a singer, songwriter, and composer.
We do have some celebrities gracing the occasion.
okay, so I'm with this beautiful woman, Abba. This is Aryan Santosh, an actor from Sandalwood,
That's
we
a
are here.
celebrity, really.
We are here to make this night bigger and larger and hotter and whatnot. So
Absolutely. Excitement is in the air. Tell me, how is the festivity coming along?
Oh, it's beautiful. I'm feeling terrible for having missed the earlier editions, though Anup very nicely called me for all of them. But I loved the vibe. I'm going to be back for the next one, for sure.
Luru Diwali is unlike other parties.
Right.
What do you have to say about the vibe, the dance, the festive spirit?
I just caught the dhol wala and I was like, bro, we are soulmates. Come, let's do a jig. That's what I did.
You were head over heels.
Yeah, it's lovely. I loved it. It's beautiful.
Amazing, amazing. What are you looking forward tonight?
well, me meeting a lot of friends and having some couple of beers and alcohol and dancing to the tunes of Bhangra and Dhangra, whatever it is. But yeah, so the most part of it is festive. You know, people are dressed up. They all look gorgeous, and isn't it beautiful? In this world, everyone wants to look beautiful, and that's the day. It's this day.
I love the spirit. This man is totally insane and crazy.
My favorite time of the year. It's festive. You can dress up. So I've done like a little bit of my style. Mine is a very contemporary boho style.
By the way, you look so attractive. Tell me, who are you wearing tonight?
So no, I'm not wearing a designer. This is from Delhi, from a friend of mine who designs, but she's not like, she's like, I'll do this for you type of a designer. This one's from Global Desi. It's very me.
As usual, we're all dressed in Indian clothes and it's so nice. Look at you, you look lovely.
Speaking of Indian clothes, I admire your dressing sense. Tell me, who are you wearing tonight?
All the time I wear Kaval Malhotra, that's the host's wife. And thank you so much. Yeah, she makes me look good all the time. Thank you so much.
You are beautiful yourself. Alright, what makes you to come back to Luru Diwali year after year?
Okay, so Luru Diwali is like a family party for me. Anup Absolute, Rafi Tamanna and Kaval is like family and I love it. So everybody here, every year, come here. It's a good time. Enjoy yourself. Nice to wear Indian clothes, look happy and send a lot of positive vibes to all of you.
Totally. Luru Diwali is unlike other parties. Now, what do you have to say about the vibe, the music, the Bollywood music, and the festive spirit?
Okay, so this is not going to be like a lecture, but yes, you know what? Throughout the year, we wait for Luru Diwali. We wait for this party to just rock it. It's Bollywood, okay? It's complete Bollywood. Nobody's stopping us to party. Lots of Indian food, lots of Indian clothes, pretty women, good humans around. I love you all. Luru Diwali rocks.
Hello, I'm Deepa Rao Acharya. Lovely to be here, and I didn't realize it's the 7th edition, so congratulations.
How is the Diwali festivities coming along?
It's been hectic, multiple things on every night, but super fun.
Tell me something, what brings you back to Luru Diwali year after year?
It's the fact that you can let your hair down and dance. It's a social, which means you don't have to be your traditional self. Being South Indian, we do need to be traditional for the festival, but here we can just chill.
I haven't been this lucky ever. I mean, it's getting hot in here. Welcome to 7th edition of Luru Diwali.
Hi, this is Nilesh Dalal.
Gurpreet Singh.
What's my name? Yeah, I'm Shaunak.
Rahul Shetty.
All of you look so dashing, you look so classy, and I can feel that ethnic vibe with you. And the king of fashion amongst us. What makes you guys to come back to the Luru Diwali every year after year?
Well, it's the Bollywood. definitely, and it's South India. And what better way to enjoy than Bollywood with Diwali? It's a lethal combination.
I couldn't agree more. How's your feeling?
Feeling good. I think what brings me back here is all these wonderful people year on year. This is one place we make an appointment for every year.
By the way, I have to compliment you. Look so classy tonight. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing myself, and I'm wearing a dear friend of mine called Money, who makes a label called Snob.
I admire your fashion sense. What makes Luru Diwali so special? Is it because we have you in the house?
Once a year. Good to meet all the old Bangaloreans. And this is a great venue. Some place that used to really rock about 10-15 years ago, and bringing it back to life is, I think, phenomenal by both Anup and Rafi.
Doing a lot of catch-up tonight. All right. So tell me, how is the festivity coming along? The Diwali spirit and the festivity.
Well, we're just getting started. This is the weekend, so we're going to pace ourselves. But this is a great place to start the weekend.
A great way to start your weekend, right? So how excited are you for tonight?
Well, the excitement is already on. I mean, like he said, big old bad boys take it slow and easy.
And you seem to be charging up.
These guys are a couple of drinks ahead of me, so trying to catch up with them.
What a pleasure to have you guys, here at Luru Diwali Edition 7.
Hi, I'm Rona, and yes, this is one party of the year that we're always waiting for because you can dance the night away to the most amazing Bollywood music. And of course, I love the Festival of Lights, so this just adds to my whole joy.
Tell me something, for how many years it is that you've been coming to Luru Party, Luru Diwali?
Wow, I can't even remember. Yeah, I mean, I think ever since it started for sure.
Wow,
yeah.
Wow.
So because, the organizers are good friends, and I mean, obviously we all enjoy partying all together, so it's just awesome.
Every year, Luru Diwali doesn't fail to surprise. What do you have to say about the festive spirit, the dance, the vibe, the music?
Oh, fantastic. They just keep, taking it a notch up every year. So this year in this beautiful, beautiful palace ground surrounding, I mean, nobody could have expected this. It's amazing tonight as well.
Seems like you're already killing it. Are you excited?
Yes, totally. I already danced a couple of steps. I can't wait to go back.
Okay, now we just want to check out your dance moves. What is your happy dance move? You can hear the dhol beats there. What is your happy dance move? Can you give a little tumkas to the camera? Speaking of laddus and chaats, how is the festivity coming along?
It's coming along great. It's been a little low-key this time, and I'm so glad it's been raining, so the patakis have been quiet this year. So that's a great thing. But this is something we look forward to every year, the Luru Diwali party, and this is my 4th year consecutive. And Babita, Kaval and Anup and Rafi and Tamanna are like best friends of ours for like old Bangalore days, right?
Crazy, that's insane.
To be there for them.
Doing a lot of catching up with your homies.
Lots. All the old Bangalore group is inside, so it's lovely catching up with everybody.
Raj, tell me something. I saw you last year as well. You graced the occasion. What are you looking forward tonight at Luru Diwali?
Well, Luru Diwali is a great occasion where we all come together. It's a good festivity. The best thing is that we get to meet people whom we have missed out all through the year. So it makes a lot more bigger when we see. I've been coming for last 6-7 years now. I've seen the crowd growing. I have seen fashion coming in. And adding to it, I have seen people coming forward, looking forward for Luru Diwali.
Oh my God, speaking of, maintaining your consistency and your association with Luru Diwali doesn't fail to surprise. It's unlike other parties. So what do you have to say about the festive vibe, the festive spirit, the vibes out here, the dance, the music?
It's, I think, one of the best that we have in the country. I am sure they should take this to other countries as well. We look forward for Luru Diwali.
Last year was in a closed space like 1Q1. This year it's maximizing on Bangalore's weather. It's open air, it's a huge property. The weather's been kind to us today. So it's an absolutely perfect Bangalore party, which is outdoors. Nowhere else in the country can you be doing this and dancing and drinking and not melting.
How is the festivity coming along?
It's going good. There is lots of nice music and lights and decoration, everything is good. So we are in fun.
Okay, by the way, you're looking so gorgeous tonight. What are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
Nothing. Is as my own old collection, my mother's sari actually. Nothing else. This is actually everything belongs to my mother, including the challa and the sari. Everything belongs to my mother.
Haven't seen anybody look so gorgeous tonight.
Thank you.
So you look smashing. Tell me something. Speaking about Luru Diwali is unlike other parties. So what do you have to say about the festive vibe, the music, the kind of spirit?
It's great, but I think the event organizers are overrated. The plug. My God, why are they doing this event? I don't know. Like I would rather, you should celebrate these kind of festivals at home. Why are you doing over here? We are spending so much money for this, and to add up to that, they team up with DJ Anup. Maybe I'm just jealous because nobody can do this better than Plug and Anup FC. And that is absolutely, but again coming back, why? Shit.
I'm Renalini.
Renalini, who are you wearing tonight? You look absolutely gorgeous.
I am wearing Sheen.
Sheen! Lovely, lovely. I mean, where do you get this inspiration behind your outfits?
From my state, I'm from the Northeast.
Lovely, lovely. Renalini, tell us something. What makes Luru Diwali so special?
Luru is very nostalgic to me. I started coming here 2 years back. I feel Luru is family. I can relate to fashion and I can relate to a lot of enjoyment in Luru. That's what makes Luru.
What makes you come back to Luru year after year? You've been associated for a couple of years now.
Yes.
What do you have to say about the vibe, the music, the dance, the festive spirit?
I think it's amazing. You can see me today. I'm all bling, bling, bling. And that's what attracts Luru. And there's a lot of positivity about Luru.
Totally, totally. How excited are you?
Not excited.
Hi, I'm Pramila, a fashionista, and I'm wearing this beautiful lehenga today. I wanted to wear this for Luru Diwali. It's so very special to me because it's the first lehenga given to me by my parents. And it's like 25 years old. Can you believe it? So I'm sentimentally attached and I wanted to wear this on this very special day.
Lovely, lovely. How's the feeling of being a part of Luru Diwali?
It's so exciting. I was just waiting for this, and when I got the invite, I just jumped because I've been coming year after year after year, and it only gets better and better and better.
I know this is something that you can't miss. Right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
How excited are you?
I'm on fire. The huge adrenaline rush. And can you believe it? I just danced for 4 hours continuously without a break. I don't know where the energy comes from, but I could dance the night away with my lovely friends and the best music and the best DJ and my favorite dole. This is one night which I don't want to forget.